Want to launch your own online course website with built-in community feature? So in this tutorial, I will show you how to build a modern e-learning platform using BuddyBoss and LifterLMS. You will learn how to create amazing course and lesson layouts, activate dark mode, and build your own social learning platform with profiles, discussion, forums, groups option, also newsfeed such as Facebook, but on your own website. Let's build your own course website, grow your learning community, and launch your online education business today. So let's get started. Now we can take a quick tour of the BuddyBoss feature. BuddyBoss have a great styling header and the profiles area where you can also get the BuddyBoss platform options. Also they have this body panel option where you can see your menu as well. And you can visit any of the page from here. If I click on my courses, you will be able to see all your courses here. It's a course catalog page where you have this tag, we have the number of lessons, course names, progress, instructor, and some other information. So this is how your course page will look like with BuddyBoss theme. And you can easily add any other widgets in this area. You can see we have some widgets. You can change these widgets. And this is how the single course page look like. Here we have this featured grid where you can add image. Your course description will be visible here. You can add your course content, and here is your course syllabus. So you can easily click on the lesson, and here is the lesson sidebar, progress, and lesson content. So here is the status of the lesson, and you can add your lesson content and video here. We have this participant list option as well. And now we have this timeline option, which is social community feature. So here you can experience a Facebook-like social community where you can like anyone's profile, you can visit, and they have this forum option as well. And you can see the connections from your profile as well. So it's exactly works like Facebook. They also have group features. So now let's create your online course with BuddyBoss from scratch. So here is my WordPress dashboard, and if I open my website, as you can see, I don't have any content or anything in this website. I just have a simple page because I don't have any plugins and a proper theme yet. So first we have to install LifterLMS. For that we have to visit plugins and then add plugin. So in this search box, we have to search for LifterLMS. And here is our LifterLMS plugin. We have to click on now, install now. Now, activate. So here is our LifterLMS setup wizard. So I have to click on get started now. And here are all the default LifterLMS pages such as course, membership, dashboard. These are the important pages. So I have to click on save and continue. Again, save and continue. You can modify the options. And here we can click on allow. And here are all the sample course template of LifterLMS, which you can use if you wanted to. I will use all these courses for my tutorial. So now I have to click on import courses. Here are all the imported courses. So now if I visit my website again and refresh the page, you can see the default pages in the menu bar. And if I click on course catalog, here is the courses are listed here. And we have a dashboard membership page as well. So you can see the design is not good because we haven't added a proper theme for our website. So your website design depends on the theme you are using. So now if I visit LifterLMS add-ons and more, here we have an option which is my license key. If you are a paid of LifterLMS, you can add your license key here. And when you will add your license key, you will be able to install all the add-ons of ours. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use LifterLMS free plugin. And now if I visit Appearance and Themes, you can see by default we have 2025. That's the reason our website design is not good. So for this tutorial, we are going to use one of the best theme, which is BuddyBoss theme. So I have to click on Add Theme because this is a paid theme. So I have to upload the theme from my computer. I already downloaded the theme. So here is the BuddyBoss theme. And now we have to click on Install Now. Now we can click on Activate. Here is the BuddyBoss theme and here are all the BuddyBoss options. So after installing BuddyBoss, let's check our single course page design. So here is the single course page. You can add a cover photo here. We have a grid where you can add a feature image. When you click on See Plans, it will redirect you to the pricing area. And here we have our course information. So the design is amazing, and when someone will enroll, you can see that as well. Here you can add your content, you can see your pricing, and here is your course syllabus where your lessons are visible. So if you click on one, here is the lesson page where we have a video content. Here is the sidebar, progress bar, and lots of great things. Here we have our navigations, and here is an in progress tag. And you can easily go back to your course and lessons from this page. BuddyBoss have this dark mode option, which is really amazing feature. And we have this maximize and minimize option as well. And now if we visit our WordPress dashboard, now I will show you how to create a quick course. So first we have to click on Add New Course. And here we can add our course title. We can add our course descriptions and other descriptions if you want to add. And here is our access plan. So if I click on here, we have multiple types of access plan. I'll use the free one first because it's a free access plan. So I can add a plan title. Then we can add enroll button text and we can select the visibility. We have a full tutorial on this, but for this tutorial, I'm showing you a quick course creation steps. Here we have the access expirations option. We have lifetime access. So when you will select a specific period, your access plan will expire on that day. So you can add the expire date as well. And you can add a checkout redirect option. So in a second access plan, I will add a monthly access plan. I will add the price and plan period and plan length. So I don't have any trial offer here and this course is not on sale. And here we have same settings and I will click on save all plans. Now we can add our featured image for our course. Here we can select categories and we can add difficulties level. So it's beginner. And we can add tag as well. And here we can add our cover photo for our course. I will click on publish. And now if I click on launch course builder, here is our builder where we can add our sections and lesson. So we can rename this and we can rename the lesson title as well. And in this video embed URL, you can add your video. We have also free lessons option. When you will add free lesson, your lesson will be free. And I will add another lesson. So I will click on save changes. And when you will click on edit, you will be able to add text content or any content for your specific lesson. So I want to add a PDF here. I will add a button block to add my PDF. First, we have to upload our PDF in the media library. I'm uploading a PDF and I'll copy this link and will add in this button. Now save. Click on view. Here is the lesson looks like. So here we have the PDF, here we also have a discussion option and our sidebars and progress and all the things. We can modify this page as per your requirements. So if you want to remove the discussion option, you can do that as well. You can see now I don't have the discussion option. So here is the course, our test course, and here is the featured grid where we can see the enrolled student image and the course information. And you can add the course content as per your requirements. I'm just showing you a quick example. So here we have our course syllabus. And you can see we have a discussion option in the course area as well. So if you visit your course page, you have to just close this discussion option. If I refresh this page, we don't have any discussion area now. So also you can see we have created a free and monthly payment plan, but it's showing only the free plan because we don't have any payment gateway yet. So if you visit LifterLMS and settings, here we have this checkout option. And as we are using the free plugin, so we have this manual option only. So we can enable this manual option and you can add the payment instructions and then save changes. So now if I refresh my course, I'll be able to see all the payment plan. So you can see here is my 2 payment plan. Now if we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. So here is the menus option. So first we have to create a menu. Then after creating the menu, we can add our pages in the menu. So I'm selecting all the Lifter LMS pages. I'm organizing the menu and you can select the location. I will show you this a bit later. If I refresh this, you can see the menu bar is not visible because we haven't added a location for this menu bar. So if you want, you can add the location from here, or you have to visit Customize. And here we have this menus option. And here we have a main menu. So if you choose body panel, that means this body panel will be visible for logged in users. So this area is the body panel area where you can see the menu. You can create menu for logged in or logged out users. I'm adding both. We also have this header menu area, which is this part. This is the header side. We also have mobile and profile drop down. So the profile drop down is this one. Now we can publish this. Here is the website after creating the menu. So this is the course catalog page, and the course catalog page looks a different design and it's looking really good with BuddyBoss theme. You can see the number of lessons, pricing, if the course is free. And if someone click on see plans, they will redirect to the course page. The course catalog page is looking really professional with progress bar or enroll tag. We have this instructor filter, we have this categories filter. So we have lots of options with BuddyBoss. And in this My Courses tab, I will be able to see all these courses which are enrolled. So now let's check that we have this widgets area as well. You can remove or add new widgets. So now let's check what are the options BuddyBoss is offering us. So if we visit WordPress dashboard, then BuddyBoss and theme options, and make sure that to access this theme option, you need the paid license. And then you will be able to access these theme options. So the first option we have, which is styling. So you can see we have this theme style option. So we have this 2.0 and 1.0, which will control the look of elements such as buttons and forms. So if I refresh this, so it's looking a bit different when I'm choosing 2.0 instead of 1.0. And here we have the button radius, have this logo option. You can add desktop, mobile logo. So it's currently off. So if I click on, I'll be able to upload my own logo. You can modify the logo size as well, and you have to always save changes. So now if I refresh, here is my logo. So we have also a logo for dark mode as well. We have the mobile logo option. And also, when someone will click on your logo, which page you want to redirect that user. So I want to redirect the user in my course catalog page. So I'll choose my course catalog page. You can choose any page you want to add. I'm choosing course catalog for both of the option. And now save changes. Click on my logo, it will redirect them to the course catalog page, not the home page. Now, if I visit the theme option again, here we have this colors option. You can choose your default color schema. You can choose your primary color. So I'm adding a blue one. And you can choose the background color, which is white now. So if I change the color a bit, and if I refresh my website, you will see the changes. Here it is. So you can choose the background color as well. So BuddyBoss have a lots of color options, which is content background, content border color, cover image background color as well. So if I select a different color, and you can see the cover image background color is a different now. So we have lots of options. You can try each and options as per your requirements. I'm changing the button background color and the border color as well. So when I'll refresh, you can see the C plans color is changed now. Also, it's working on these primary colors. Here we have this header background color as well. And the second option is typography. You can add your custom typography here. And here we have this header option, which is the header style. You can see here is the default header, and I can choose any of the style. And I think the previous one is good. We have this menu style, which is standard or topper. You can choose as per your requirements. We have this components for style. And here is profile drop down option. So if you choose avatar only, that means it will only show your avatar, not your name. So if you choose name and avatar, then that time it will show your name and your image as well. Also, we have this sticky header option. So the next option is body panel. So the body panel is currently on, which is this portion. So if you want, you can turn off this as well. And you can add a logo in the body panel area. If you on this, the logo will be in body panel area, but I don't want that. Here we have this body panel position, which is by default left. But if I choose right, now the panel is in right. So you can choose the panel position as well. And here we have this sidebars option. You can add widgets in your sidebars. And here is the LifterLMS sidebars, which is select. So you can see the sidebars in the right side. If I choose left, the sidebar will be visible in the left, like this. You can remove these widgets from the sidebar by visiting Appearance and Widgets. And here is Lifter Courses area. And you can remove the default widgets easily from this section. And it seems like a full with course catalog page, which is looking good. You can add your LifterLMS widgets here as well. Also, in the course sidebar area, you can add course syllabus widgets, which will be visible in the single course page. So if I update it, and you can see the course syllabus widgets are visible in the single course page. So you can modify these widgets as per your requirements. You can add in lesson or course. Also in footer area, you can choose the footer style as well. And here we have this Lifter LMS options. So here is the instructor filter and categories filter. For example, here is the instructor filter. This is by default on. And if we visit our course catalog page, you can see the instructor filter area. So if you turn this off from here and if you save changes, and this filter area will be not be visible anymore. So basically you can control the filter area from this side. And here we have this course author option, which is on right now. If I visit a specific course, this portion is the trial option. So if I refresh my page, you can see the author is not visible. In the same way, you can turn off the course date as well. This one is the course date. And here we have this lesson list. You can turn this off. So if I visit one of my lesson, so this portion is the lesson list. So if I turn this off, I won't be able to see this lesson list anymore. Now here we have these course participants. So if I visit my lesson, is my lesson and you can see the participants number is 2. So if I turn this off, I can't see that participants number. So this is how the option works. And then also we can reset this section anytime. And here we have this 404 page. Here we have maintenance mode. You can add on or off. Here we can on the custom CSS and JavaScript option. And here we have minify assets as well. And lastly, we have this import and export option. So now add a social community in your online course website with BuddyBoss Platform and Platform Pro. So first we have to visit plugins and add plugin and then upload a plugin. I have to choose BuddyBoss Platform and I have to click on install now. Activate plugin. Here is the BuddyBoss Platform and now we have to install BuddyBoss Platform Pro, which is a paid plugin. So I have to click on here. I will upload my BuddyBoss Platform Pro plugin. Activate plugin. So here are the BuddyBoss Platform and Platform Pro, and here all the options available. And you can see this message and notification options as well. These options are coming from BuddyBoss Platform, and if we view our menus, we have this BuddyBoss option right now. Here we can add BuddyBoss options. Here we have some pages from BuddyBoss Platform. So if we click on view all, we can see some BuddyBoss Platform pages such as Newsfeed, forums, groups. So we will add those to our menu so that our users and students can get the option to join the social community and they can experience social community. So I will save the menu. Add the timeline option to make it easy. And I will add it to the menu again. And from this here, I will add the profile option as well. So I will save this menu. So here is the profile option, which is coming from BuddyBoss Platform. And if I click on profile, you can see here is my profile and I can edit my profile first name, last name, nickname. And also if I visit the backend, here is the BuddyBoss option. And first we have lots of options from BuddyBoss platform such as profile, settings, groups, forums, and tons of options. So if we click on BuddyBoss settings and profiles, from the settings area, we can we can control all the profiles options such as how the display name format will be look like, how the link will look like, and image and cover photo styles. So we can select each and every option of profile from this profile settings area. You can choose your style as per your requirements, and then we have groups as well, where we can control the group settings. And first we have this enable social group creation by all members. So I don't want it. I want that as an admin, I will only be able to create groups. So I'll disable this. And we have a lots of options here, like how the avatar will look like, how the cover image style will look like. So you can choose any of these settings as per your requirements, and we have other options as well. So first I will save settings, visit my profile. You can see I'm able to edit this profile and I already have one follower. So if I click on connections, I can see one of my followers. So if I switch to one of my users, which is Ava, now you can see this is Ava's profile. And if I click on profile, I'll be able to edit this profile as a Ava. I can edit my first name, nickname, and if I click on timeline, I can post. It's exactly works like Facebook. So I can post, I can select the privacy of my post, and I'm writing something, hi guys, and I can mention people's as well. So I'll post it. It exactly works like how Facebook Newsfeed works. And you can see in the connection area, I don't have any connections and I don't have any groups and forums. If I click on BuddyBoss components, these are the important components. And if I click on pages, these four is really important pages. So we have to choose specific page for these options, such as forums for forum page, activity feeds as a newsfeed page. So in this newsfeed page, we can see all our posts. For example, Ava has posted that, and as an admin, I can see her post in my newsfeed, exactly like Facebook. So I can like it, I can comment, I can visit her profile, I can message or follow her. So now, if I visit the backend again, and if I switch as Ava, there is Ava's profile, I'll switch it. Now I'm seeing as Ava, and if I visit my newsfeed, I can see that Nadia has reacted in my post. So from here, I can visit her profile, but I don't have any other option to send a request to any people. So we have to add something so that I can see all the members and I can send them request. So this is my admin profile now. And if I visit customize and widgets area, here is activity directory left option. And in the area, I can add widgets. So I have to search for BB members. And here are some BB widgets. So I will add BB members widgets. And I will add another one, which is BB. You can search BB and you will see all the BuddyBoss platform widgets. So I want my connections widget. So I have two widgets now. So now if I visit activity directory, I already have added some widgets such as latest activities and groups. Now if I publish it, you can see now if I switch as Ava, if I click on my newsfeed, I have an option where is members. I can see all the members of this website and I can visit each of them profile and send request. So if I visit Nadia's profile, now I can connect her or I can post in her timeline. You can see it feels similar, right? Because we used to use Facebook like this way. And if I click on message to Jackson, I can message him. So I'm sending a message to Jackson. And now if I visit my profile, I don't have any connection yet because nobody has accepted my request yet. So now it's an admin profile of mine. So if I visit BuddyBoss and groups, now I can create group as admin. So I'm creating a group and the description of the group about WordPress, and I'm publishing it. Now I can manually add user to this group. So I have to search for their name, and I have added 2 members in this group, and I will save changes. And here we have some privacy settings such as who can see this post, who can join, something like this. And if now I switch to a user profile again, like Jack's profile, so now here I have received a notification that Nadia has accepted my request. Ava sent me a message. And if I visit the group area, I can see that I have a group now, which is Nadia's group. So if I visit this group, I can see the members of this group. And I also can send invitation to some people who are members of this website to join this group. If I visit my newsfeed, so here is the newsfeed looks like now. You can modify, customize this newsfeed more amazingly. So I can change my cover photo as well. You can delete the cover photo, upload the cover photo. Here is my profile now. So here is the BuddyBoss option. Then we have to visit components. So the option you want to allow in BuddyBoss platform, you have to make sure that is activate from this components area. And now we will work with forums. So I have to click on forums. Then I have to click on create new forum. And here we can add our forum title, such as which LMS you are using. And then from the right side, we can add some settings. So we have this visibility option as well. And then I'll click on publish. And if I visit settings now, and then forums, I can control each setting for forums here. So you have forum feature like favorite, subscriptions. We have group forums feature here. And we have lots of options to control the forum setting. So now I'm done. So if I visit all users and I switch to a user from my website, that can be Jack. So I'm switching to Jack's profile. And if I visit forums, here I can see the forums, and always make sure that forum page is listed in the menu bar. So now if I click on new discussion, I can add my answer. So I'm adding LifterLMS. Also we can add discussion title. So I'm posting it. So now I can reply, I can unsubscribe, and people also can reply in this discussion. So that's it. This is how you can create an online course website with LifterLMS and can add social community with BuddyBoss. You can follow this tutorial and you can start with LifterLMS free plugin to achieve a website like this. I hope this video will be helpful for you.